Look at bank charges. We'll be looking at bank charges, critical aspect of your business with the bank. But before we delve into very long aspect of bank charges, employ you as our viewers or followers to like, share, comment on our page so that we know how much impact we're making. We would like you to tell your friend to subscribe to us, subscribe, like, share, and follow us so that we both interact and understand banking better. So, what is it about bank charges? A lot of people find it difficult to understand how much charge goes into their bank every month. They see charges on their accounts and they are surprised that they get charged that month every month. So let's quickly look at bank charges. Today we'll be, like I said, we'll be looking at AMC, account maintenance fee or account maintenance charges. Account maintenance fee is charged on current account only. It's a transaction based charge and it's charged on current account, like I said. Current accounts, both individual current account and corporate account. AMC is not charged on savings account. For savings account, if you run it like I said in some of my previous videos, said that if you run your savings account like a transaction account, you forfeit the interest, the income that is supposed to earn on your savings account. So if you run your you won't get charged on savings account, but you forfeit the interest you're supposed to earn on it. So if you run your savings account, um, like I said, like a current account, you won't get charged, but you lose interest. But what you get charged on is a current account. And what is this charges? It's charged for AMC, that's account maintenance fee. It's mandatory. It's now at one per mil. What does one per mil means? One per mil means 1 naira per every 1,000 naira transaction that you run on the account. Yes, for every 1,000 naira transaction that you run the account, you get charged 1 naira. That's what the bank takes from you as the bank's commission. Yes, account maintenance fee is also negotiable. You should understand that you can negotiate with your bank and get lower fee. Yes, the maximum you can be charged is one per mil, but you can also negotiate with your bank and get charged lower. So how do you negotiate with your bank? If you are a big volume transaction officer, a big volume account, you talk to your account officer and you both can come to a round table and discuss how much you want to be charged. Although subject to approval, but you can also push it forward as a reason for continuing to operate with that bank. What the bank may require from you or what they may agree to is to sign you off to a covenant. What does covenant mean? It means if you are running, for instance, 100 million turnover every month, you get the bank may tell you, okay, for us to give you maybe 0.5 per mil, that's half of the normal charges. You must continue to run 100 million every month. Some other banks may say, okay, you don't need the covenant. Just let us give you the concession to appreciate what you do with us. So shop within banks, like I always tell you, and know which bank you're comfortable with. Don't be too complacent with your bank and not understand that there are other banks that are doing better. So shop. All banks in Nigeria are stable today, like I've said before. So shop around, ask around, and know and request for look at the best of the charges that you think is best for your business. One other aspect of account maintenance fee that we must look at is that it's not charged on credit transactions. Credit transaction means the money you pay into your bank account, you are not charged AMC on it. It's the money that you withdraw. So account maintenance is charged on debit turnover. For instance, if in a month you have paid like 100 million or more into your account and you have only withdrawn 10,000 naira from your account, the maintenance fee that will be charged to you will be based on that 10,000 naira you have drawn from your account, not on the 100 million you have paid. Hope that is very understandable. It's charged on debit and not on credit. So, like I told you before, some bank will charge covenant, but there are also hybrid accounts, that you can also subscribe to as as an account holder in the bank. The bank offer a variety of accounts apart from regular savings or current account. Also, like I said, hybrid account. Like some current account have the feature of savings account. Some savings account have the feature of current account. So, if you are the type that you leave large volume of amount in your account, can subscribe for any of these sub hybrid account where you also get interest paid on your current account. For leaving large deposit in there. So another aspect of account maintenance fee is that like I have said earlier, it's not charged on savings account, purely on current account. You cannot be charged on your savings account, except again if it's an hybrid account that you are subscribed to the product. If in case of hybrid account, you must have seen the benefits and the charges that are accruable on those accounts. Then if you have subscribed for it, then you are subscribed to charges on an hybrid savings account, if that is obtainable. Otherwise, you can also no charges are applicable on savings account, no matter how much you withdraw. The worst that can happen is that you lose the interest, the income that you're supposed to earn as a result of putting your money in savings account. When you run it like a current account, you're not supposed to be charged account maintenance fee. However, there may be other charges on the account, such as withholding tax and all that. But that is not uh, it's not because of account maintenance fee. Is purely because of government regulations. There may also be, all other charges that are not maintenance. Maybe ATM charges, ATM card charges, and all that. But definitely not account maintenance fee. Account maintenance fee is charged monthly, once every month. It is not charged on. It's not charged weekly. It's not charged annually. It's charged monthly. So whatever transaction you have done within that month, that's debit transaction. Whatever withdrawal amount of withdrawal you've done within that month, the bank charges you one per mail. That's one for every 1,000 naira of the total amount you have run in your account every month. There's also VAT on the charges, like I said earlier, VAT on account maintenance fee. For instance, VAT of 10% is applicable. For instance, if your account maintenance fee, because of your huge volume, runs into 100,000 naira in a month, additional charge of 10% is charged. That will make it 110,000 naira. 10,000 will be specified separately though and paid to government. It's not part of bank income. The VAT on AMC or AMF is paid directly to the government of Federal Republic of Nigeria. It's only the 100,000 in this case that the bank is the income to the bank. Yes, one another important part of AMC is that it is charge on customer induced transaction. What does that mean? Customer induced transaction means if it's a customer that has deliberately withdrawn from his account, that is what AMC is applicable on. It's not applicable on maybe you have in the course of the month, you have bank charges, other bank charges that have applied to your account. Those bank charges will not be calculated, as part of the turnover that will attract AMC. For instance, if you are a loan customer and the bank has debited you to the tune of, maybe I don't know the amount of loan, maybe the bank has debited you to the tune of 200,000 that month for loan repayments. Loan repayment is not induced by you; it's a bank transaction. So AMC is not applicable to loan repayment. That is, it's not applicable to loan repayment, like I said. It's not applicable to other transactions apart from your personally made transfer from your account. You have used online banking to transfer to somebody. You have written a check on your account. You have used your ATM to draw money or to pay for at the merchant place to pay on POS. Those are the transaction of transactions that can attract account maintenance fee, not other transactions that are not deliberately induced by you. That's little about account maintenance fee. Please feel free to like, share, comment. Let us know how much impact you're making.